Engineering innovations often begin with the question, how can we? In the case of the Parliament and Lion stations on the Confederation Light Rail line in Ottawa, the question was, how can we build these underground stations in the heart of the downtown, under a busy street with little cover, and squeezed between the deep basements of high-rise buildings on either side? A challenge that pushed engineers at Dragados, in collaboration with Dr. Sauer and partners, to develop an innovative solution. The sequential excavation method was chosen to mine the stations 18 meters wide, in between the basements which were 20 meters apart. The never-before-used design called for a new excavation sequence, combined with tension ties to prevent forces from the tunnel crown to be transferred horizontally to the adjacent basements, allowing for excavation without damaging the existing infrastructure. Instead of excavating from top to bottom, the excavation sequence was reversed and subdivided into small headings to minimize ground movements, starting with excavation of 2 lower side drifts with temporary support, permanent L-shaped sidewalls including the waterproofing layer, transverse bores to connect the side drifts laterally, installation of the tension ties through the bores connected to the concrete walls and lightly pre-tensioned, backfilling the bottom of the lower side drifts with foam concrete, upper side drifts excavation and support, top heading excavation and support, followed by bench excavation and a reinforced steel concrete slab embedding the tension ties. The central pillar held the ground loads while the sidewalls and their support were completed. The loads were then transferred to the sidewalls vertically by retaining the horizontal loads with the tension ties. A concrete slab at the mezzanine level ultimately absorbed the loads permanently. The innovation answered the question, resulting in the successful excavation of the Lion and Parliament stations on the Confederation Light Rail line. Congratulations to the City of Ottawa, OLRT constructors of Dragados, SNC Lavalin, and Ellis, along with Dr. Sauer and partners, and gGravity Engineering, winners of the TAC 2019 Canadian Innovation Initiative Award for the new construction sequence and tension tie support design for shallow urban caverns in a confined space.